Good morning, students. Class 4 gi koi exam amangda lesson number 18 lotharameko. Lesson number 18 birds and their nests. Koi handakti exam se kharangan khatna tawrani na haidana ko. Aduna exam se January da tawrani. Final exam se aduna koi syllabus se cover tawna ba khatang yang na tawsi yang jan se ba ko. Loi ba nang na ba koi study material sing do hana leihongnaba ko yengo akoina mamangda tawrambadu sigi tree sibok tawrame natra birds and their nests adigi why do bird builds their nests ko haidi moigi marum koknabane natra uchek singsina moigi makon sarisena mani ko kai tawi straw sizinaraga natraga bits of wool haidi shamtu matek kumba sizina moi tai toraga haidi moina charu matek kumba myam khulanga moi makonje sadoineba moi macha onba marum konba khudingi moi makonje sindoineba ko tugi matangda khara tawrame. Next page number 98 ta fakto 98 ta hangto yengasiko duga birds make the nest strong on the outside but soft and warm on the inside with moss, cotton, grass and leaves to keep the eggs warm. Haidi kaino uchek singsina mogi makon singse hangbra outside mapanda di kaidawa akanba pochei singna saraga su manungdadi kaidawi soft ohele mon law halle ko kaino adi ngasai mai marum do thamdoine dana ko marum do lumna wa moina thamdoine batuna moss kumba cotton gumba grass kumba se seasonal manungda ko. Some birds build their nests on the ground. Uche kharadi mogi makon se ground the side. Some make round nests from grass and other plants. Some birds dig hole in the ground and lay their eggs in the hole. Haidi khara mana kadawi round nest side kadawa grass sizinaraga ko aduga khara mana plant sizinaraga ko kadawi khara uche khara mana kadawi dig hole kaino ahoba se semaga kadawa ground sida ahoba se semani aduga mogi marum se masagi tawthoiba ahoba duda haitare marum se koeba ko. Water birds the kai neng si water birds like the gravy and the loon sometimes build nests on or close to the water. Haidi kaino asagi gravy hariba aduga loon haribu uchek sidi kaidawi moise moi makon se on or close to the water haidi ising mathakta natraga ising manakta yam nakna saba ko. These nests are floating raft made of water plants and are fastened to the plants growing in the lake and ponds. Haidi kaino masai ising mathakta sai haraga kamaina ising mathakta sa doino floating raft adi kaino ko gi mana masing ko gi charu gumba ising mathakta hauba mana masing ai tarene maduda natraga masai madugi pambi singdugi mathakta mogi marum se koeba ko aduga growing kaino plants growing in lakes and pond haidi ising mathakta hauba pambi sing ko thana hauba pambi sing leidana ko madugi mathakta moina marum se kokpane ba ising mathakta ko e haidana ko ising water body dugi mathakta kokpa nate gyan tai ko makhadi yengo masai gravy haiba uchekto sidale to western gravy on its floating nest size makon is my sign ne ba ko. Weaver birds make their nest by weaving, knotting and twining grasses. Saidi kaino weaver birds saragadi sidale to weaver birds nest ko haidi magi makon se yam pasana londra mana adugini ko weaver birds saise ko haidi pasana lon ba pasana phot ba adu pasana maron twining grasses haidi kaino khoiki mana masing jing de pasana lon sanaraga semba ko You may have seen their nest hanging from the trees ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯎ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯟꯊꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦꯀꯣ. They look like beautiful hanging baskets ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯃꯥꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ basket ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯟꯊꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ, hanging basket ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ. Eagles build their nests on trees with sticks and twigs ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ eaglesꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦ stick ꯆꯩꯇꯦꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯎ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯑꯀꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯦ eaglesꯤꯡꯁꯦꯀꯣ. Woodpeckers make holes in tree trunks to use as nests ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ woodpeckerꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ tree trunk ꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯗꯀꯣ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯅ ꯍꯨꯠꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯀꯣꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤ. Sparrows use sticks and grass to build nests on trees ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯎꯗ sparrow ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ. ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ stick ꯆꯩ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯃꯇꯦꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯁ ꯑꯀꯪꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯗ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯀꯣꯟ ꯁꯥꯏ. Owls do not usually build nests ꯑꯗꯨꯒ owls ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯀꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ owlsꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯜ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯥꯒꯟꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ. They use the abandoned nests of other birds ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯟ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯀꯣꯟꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯀꯣꯟꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯀꯣꯛꯄ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯀꯣꯟꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ abandonedꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯀꯣ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯀꯣꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯒꯜꯂꯦꯕ owlsꯤꯡꯁꯦꯀꯣ. Next page number 99ꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ. Tailor birds stitch leaves together to make their nest. Stitch ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ tailor birdsꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ tailoring ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯐꯣꯠꯄ ꯇꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ the name itself indicates that the birds stitch leaves ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ tailor birds ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ ꯐꯣꯠꯆꯟꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯐꯣꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯑꯍꯩꯕ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦ ꯐꯣꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯅꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯀꯣꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ. The birds make tiny holes into the two leaves and draw thread of fiber through them to stitch the leaves together ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯇꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯪꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯇꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯪ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯃꯅꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯨꯠꯂꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯣꯠꯆꯤꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ threads of fiberꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯀꯣ. Some storks build their nests in the grass near the water. White storks build huge nests on top of houses, chimneys, telephone poles and trees. ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ stork ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯅꯥꯄꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ white storkꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ huge nest ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯥꯒꯟꯒꯦꯗ chimneysꯒꯨꯝꯕ telephone polesꯒꯨꯝꯕ treesꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ white storkꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ tailor bird ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ. The cuckoo ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. cuckoo ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯅ. The cuckoo is a naughty bird ꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯥꯎꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯅꯦ cuckooꯁꯦꯀꯣ. She lays eggs in the nest of the other birds ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯀꯣꯛꯁꯟꯗꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ. When the baby hatches it pushes the babies of the other birds out of the nest ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ when the baby hatches it pushes the babies of the other birds ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯀꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯊꯗꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ. ꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯥꯎꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯅꯦꯕ cuckoo ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯀꯣ. coil ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ female coil ꯑꯗꯨꯒ male coil ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ physical features ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ. ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯛ ꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯉꯧꯔꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯥꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ coilꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ. The coil is a clever but lazy bird ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯟꯕ birdꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ coilꯁꯦ. Do you know why? Kaigidamaktano, just like the cuckoo, the quail does not make its own nest. Haidi ngasai cuckoo sumai masai makon sajadedana ko. Atopagi makon da laishali natra. Adumai tawdana quail sisu masagi makon laijadeba ko. It lays its eggs in the crow's nest. Haidi kaino ngasai crow kwaki makon da changjalaga moina marumse koe quail singsina ko. The crow looks after the eggs and the babies after they hatch, thinking them to be its own. Haidi kaino kwaki makonda marum koksalani aduga kwak machaduna kanagi marumsina kanagi oidoiba coilgi ko coil hariba ucheksi marumse crow gi nest kokshandoiba ko aduga ngasagi crow sina adum magi machase ola kanda yengshinbiraneba ko adumai machada na crow sina yengshindoiba ko. The female and the male coils look very different from each other ko. Male ga female ga se yam khenadra aduni haisi sida loire ko the loire hey next last question and answer hapa na ko sida loishala. Thank you.